What's up, YouTube? Donnie here to show you how to do a cabin filter on a 2018 Nissan Sentra. This one is passenger side, and it is underneath the dash, the glove box, and this is it right here. So you got a little locking tab right here. So you got to get your finger underneath that locking tab, and wow, that went flying. So this is up there like this, and this is the locking tab. So you have to get your finger underneath this, pop it up, and this comes right off. As you can see, once you pop it, it went flying. So pretty simple there. And then you have the cabin filter, which is right there. You can see it says front with the arrow, and you can see this little tab right here is made so you can pull it out just like that, and it comes out of there just like that. So you want to install the new one the same way the old one came out, which is just like this. That's the old one, and that's the new one. This goes in with this facing front, just like this. So this little tab up. Now on the other side, that shows you which way you want airflow. So there you go, just like that. So what I like to do is I take this, I squeeze it like this, and I fit the top in and then feed the bottom in and then push it into the slot. Might be kind of hard to get this camera, but I will try my best. Okay. And there we go. It's in there. Just like that. Yeah. Okay, and there we go. So you just take the clip with this tab at the bottom, and you just get it into place, just like that. You hear a click, and it is in place. And that is how you install a cabin filter on a 2018 Nissan Sentra. If I helped you guys out, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like, and thanks for watching the video.